Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your FLO EV charger to the FLO app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect your FLO EV charger to the FLO app, start by ensuring your charger is properly installed and powered on. Download the FLO app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the FLO app on your smartphone. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Tap on Add Charger in the app. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow the app to access Bluetooth. Your device will search for nearby chargers. Once it finds your FLO charger, select it from the list. Enter the required details, such as the charger's serial number if prompted. Confirm that the correct charger is selected. Tap on Connect to establish the connection between your charger and the app. Wait for the app to confirm the successful connection. Once connected, you can customize your settings in the app. You can now monitor charging sessions, schedule charging times, and access additional features. Ensure that you keep the app updated for the best performance. Your FLO EV charger is now successfully connected to the FLO app. You are ready to begin charging your electric vehicle with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.